Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can connect your Bluesky account with Metricool. So to connect your Bluesky account, go to your Metricool account and you can find the Bluesky app either in the sidebar or you can find it by going to Connections under your profile menu. Here, just click on it and sign in with your Bluesky credentials. Well, I tried to connect using Bluesky app password, but it did not work in my case and gave me error every time I try to sign in with it. So just add your Bluesky credentials and click on Next. Then authorize the Metricool app to access your Bluesky account by clicking on Accept. Now, your Bluesky account has just been connected. And you can start scheduling your contents on Bluesky by going to Planning tab. And this is how you can connect your Bluesky account with Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.